Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we will going to see how we can add a social sharing button to our WordPress website. So if visitor like your website or post, they may able to share very easily through social sharing button. So having a social sharing button in our WordPress website that helps to grow our website very fast. So social sharing button is very important to bring more traffic. Okay, now let's add a social sharing button. So without any wasting time, let's get started. So this is the website that we will going to add a social sharing button. And first we will going to add a social sharing button to our blog page. So I will click on this blog page. Okay, now let's add a social sharing button to our WordPress blog post so that visitor can easily share this post. Okay, to add a social sharing button, go to the WordPress dashboard. Then go to the plugin and click on add new. And search for social sharing. Here it is. So this is the plugin that we will going to install and activate. So click on install and click on activate. Here it is. We have successfully installed and activated this plugin. Now just follow my cursor. Click over here. Social sharing. Just click over here. Then you will be redirected to this page. Now click on this theme selection. Here it is. Just click on theme selection. Okay, from here you can change the shape of a social sharing button. So here you can see, select the shape that you want. So right now it is round shape, square shape and rectangle shape. So I will choose a round shape. So once you selected the shape, then scroll down and click on save changes. Next click on standard interface tab. Here it is, just click on standard interface tab. Now scroll down. Here you can see the list of many different social sharing network. So select the network that you want to add to your website. I will select Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp is already selected. Here it is. Then Instagram. So once you selected social sharing network, now scroll down. Now select the position where you want to display social sharing button. So if you want to display social sharing button at the top of the content, then tick this. Or if you want to display bottom of the content, then tick this. But what I will do, I will tick both. Then scroll down. Now select the place where you want to display social sharing button. I want to display at post. So I will tick post. So select post. Then scroll down. And click on save changes. Okay, now let's open website in a new tab and refresh. So I will open a single post. So I will click on this post. Here it is. We have successfully added social sharing button at post. Here it is. We have display social sharing button at the top of the content. And also we have display social sharing button at the bottom of the content. So right now it is in center. So if you want to change the position, go to the WordPress dashboard. Here is the horizontal alignment. Right now it is center. Let's make it left. And scroll down and click on save changes. Now let's refresh. As you see, right now it is in center. Now it will move to the left. Here it is. Here we go. We have successfully added a social sharing button in our WordPress website at top of the content. And also we have displayed social sharing button at the bottom of the content. So now next we will going to add a floating sharing button. So to add a floating sharing button, we need to go back to WordPress dashboard. So go back to WordPress dashboard. Here it is. Scroll up. Okay, now click on this floating interface tab. Here it is. Just click on floating interface tab. Now scroll down and select the network that you want to add to your website. So I will select Facebook. WhatsApp is already selected. Then click on Twitter, Instagram. Here it is. So I'm happy with this. Now scroll down. Okay, now I want to display the floating sharing button at home page. So I will select the placement home page, post and pages. Okay, now scroll down and click on save button, save changes. Here it is. Okay, now let's open a website in a new tab and refresh. So here it is. I will refresh this page. Okay, I think I have done some mistake. Go back to WordPress dashboard. Let me see what I have done. Here we go. So we need to enable this, enable floating sharing interface. So tick on this. Here it is. Just tick and now scroll down. Now click save changes. Now go back to website. Now refresh the website. Here it is. So we have added a floating sharing button. So here we go. We have successfully added a floating sharing button in our WordPress blog post. Now let's open a home page. So I will click on home page. So here it is. We have successfully added a floating sharing button in our WordPress website. Here we go. So friends, hope you like this video. If you like this video, then hit the like button, subscribe. So see you in the next video. Bye bye, take care and have a great day.